Hello, here we are with one more quiz, and in this quiz we have 12 boxes. In each boxes there are some numbers. The first box has a 64, second box has a 12, third box has a 16, fourth box has 25, fifth box has number 15, sixth box has 100, similarly seventh box has 81, eighth box has number 10, the ninth box has number 1, the 10th box has number 36, and the 11th box that is the number that we need to find out, and the 12th box has number 49. So guys, can you find out the missing number? Check out for the pattern and do comment in the comment box what is your answer. Share this with your friends and see whether they can find the answer or not. And also comment in how many seconds you are able to answer.